filter people, and welcome to another Bowtie Friday, and here at the house of Oleology, where we do everything water and clean your water. Basically, people, let me introduce you to this lovely picture. What's wrong with these? So we take it from this to this. That's basically what we organise and what we do. So, shout out to you on a Friday. And Sash,
Chris,
how are you feeling today? Are you feeling
dangerous?
Feeling dangerous on a
Feeling
Friday?
Very dangerous.
Hope everybody out there is feeling dangerous as well. Hope everybody has got themselves a little cup of joe where we can settle back. And I thought today, Sash, we might talk about all things water, seeing as how water's what we do, pretty much.
Actually, your cups reminded me of one of the filters used.
Oh!
The old HRM filter.
The good old HRM filter. So there you go, people. Here's a little bit of priority treatment. So yes, proprietary. So yes, we deal and we put water through that looks a little bit like this, and we give you an emulsional rescue.
That's it.
That's it. So what's been going on?
The caps.
Should have bought the caps.
We've got the merch happening. There is merch. I think we should almost have like a merchandise website. All the colours of the rainbow. We've got new caps. If you're in Henderson, which is where the Oleology HQ is, come on down. The cafe is always open. The coffee machine's always on, and you can have a look at the new merch of all the new caps that we've got in town. So that's pretty cool.
So we'll stop. There you go.
Oh.
So a little bit of merch. Little bit of Bowtie Friday merch.
Sick.
Yes, people. So anyway, look, effectively, Sash, I wanted to be a little bit, I know it's going to be a little bit hard to be, not as we normally are, and offbeat and sort of throwing everything around. But on a serious note, people, water treatment. So, look, basically the issue with a lot of people with their water treatment is that they buy a water treatment system for a particular type of water that they have, that they want to then, they know the contaminants within their water. They've done an analysis on their water, Sash.
Yep, okay, understood.
And they've bought a treatment system to deal with the contaminants that they know about in their water stream and in their supply. Now, what normally happens, I found, is that particular source of water that they're dealing with changes. So they change the source of water for the input. Something happens in the environment to change that particular configuration with the contaminants that are in that water.
Understood.
And therefore their water treatment system doesn't work as well maybe as previously when they had their particular water that they were dealing with. So people, let me put it nice and simple to you, right? You buy yourself a Daihatsu Charade, right? Shout out to all the people that drive Daihatsu Charades. And you take it on a bush track, right, in Australia. You take it off-road. Here we go.
Yep.
It's not going to last too long because it wasn't designed for an off-road track, right? You can put tyres on your Charade. That'd be pretty tricky. You can put a lift kit on it, maybe a 6-inch lift kit on your Daihatsu Charade. That'd look awesome.
You haven't done this before, have you, Chris?
No, not at all. But I've been thinking about it. It's a dream of mine. And look, it may work a little bit better. But the bottom line was that car was never designed for that particular situation. Same with a water treatment system, people. You buy a water treatment system for a particular type of water with particular contaminants within that water.
Yep.
Now, the beauty about an oleology system is that you can change the internals and the filters within that system to then mould and change to the water type. But you can't expect an original system that was built and manufactured to deal with one type of water to be able to change by itself and then deal with a completely different source of water if that's what you wanted to do now.
Yeah.
You need professionals. You need people in the business. You need us to be able to help you to make sure that your new water source and the output from the machine is working as well as what it was previously, right? Communication. Communication, sir.
Communication's a big one.
Look, it's all you got to do is ring up, right? And we'll help you. But we're not magicians. We're not people that know you need help unless you tell us that you need help. I can't zone into the universe and go, oh, hang on, Bob on his mine site out in the back of Whoop Whoop, yes, there is a place called Whoop Whoop, out in the back of Whoop Whoop, requires help with his water treatment system unless Bob rings us. So, the numbers below, if you need help with your water treatment system, if you need help with taking emulsions and just getting your water to where it's required for environmental release or for use in your business itself, ring us. Please give us a call so we can give you a hand, so it doesn't cost you more than what it needs to.
It's not always raining for everyone on the money front. So to increase efficiency, Chris, there's so many opportunities that we've seen with people who actually have the opportunity to even reuse the water. Get that little extra green tick.
Yes.
There's so many opportunities, but you don't know unless you ask.
Become somebody that the EPA is going to send a Christmas card to every year.
Yeah.
Not the other way around. Right?
Yeah. Get on that nice list with the EPA.
Get on the nice list with the EPA.
Like
give us a call. Let us give you a hand with what we know, right? We don't know what you do, but when it comes to water, we know water. So let us help you with the outcomes that you require, so you're not spending any more money than what you need to spend on changing systems all the time to try and make it work, adding things on, doing all of that, which costs your business money. Ring us. Yep. Ring us, let us help you, and let us get it dealt with straight away so you can get back to doing what you do, and we can all smile and get on with it. All right?
I like that idea.
So, with that in mind, make sure this weekend that you spend some time with your loved ones. Make sure that you spend some time to do a little bit of what they call basically Sai, which is basically keep your heart good, people. Keep your heart good, people. Look after the people around you that you work with. Shout out to the engineers. Shout out to Dane Corps. Hello. And we'll see you again. So like we always say, stay well, stay happy, and value your time.